Hi, my name's Hannah Nunn. I'm a nutritional therapist specialising in age-related macular degeneration. In this video, we're going to be talking about our mitochondria, what happens when they're not working well, why that's relevant to us with AMD, and finally, what we can do about it. Mitochondria are the little batteries in each of our cells producing energy from the air that we breathe and the food that we eat. The more energy a tissue or organ requires to function, then it figures the more mitochondria it will have. So mitochondria are especially bountiful in the brain, muscles, heart, and our eyes. Mitochondria produce energy in the form of ATP, and during this process, they also produce free radicals. Now, free radicals in moderation are beneficial, but if levels of free radicals get too great and they overwhelm your body's capacity to handle them, then they cause oxidative stress and inflammation. Mitochondria not running well will produce excess free radicals. So imagine an old car engine not running very efficiently and producing lots of excess smoke. Most of us will start life with healthy mitochondria, and there is a normal decline in efficiency of mitochondria as we age, but mitochondria can also become inefficient and damaged due to things like poor sleep, lack of exercise, infections, toxins, stress. One of the main reasons our mitochondria become damaged is by eating a nutrient-deficient processed food diet. Things like sugar, trans fats, and chemical additives damage our mitochondria. And in addition to this, our mitochondria need lots of nutrients in order to run optimally. So healthy fats, vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, all keep them running efficiently. And what we end up with is something we term mitochondrial dysfunction. And this leads to a decrease in cell energy production, a decrease in cell function, and even cell death. And it's linked with a whole myriad of chronic diseases: obesity, diabetes, heart disease, cancer, Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, depression, fibromyalgia, the list goes on and on. In AMD, we find that there is mitochondrial dysfunction in the retinal pigment epithelial cells of the macula. Now, the retinal pigment epithelium is a layer of cells that are essential in maintaining the health of our vision cells. In eyes with AMD, it's been found that there are fewer mitochondria, more mitochondrial damage, and overall less ATP or cell energy produced. The degree of mitochondrial damage has been found to correlate with the severity of the AMD. So you can see that maintaining mitochondrial health is essential in supporting the health of our eyes when it comes to AMD. So how can we keep our mitochondria healthy? Eat a balanced whole food diet. Avoid ingredients that are toxic to your mitochondria, such as refined flours, sugar, sweeteners, and trans fats. Essentially, avoid ultra-processed foods. Eat 6 cups of vegetables a day. Include a variety of greens, other brightly coloured veg, and sulfur-containing veg, such as broccoli, cauliflower, and cabbage. Eat 2 portions of antioxidant-rich fruit a day. Dark-coloured berries and pomegranate are great options, high in fibre, low in sugar, high in antioxidants. Eat plenty of fibre to support detoxification, so your vegetables, whole grains, nuts and seeds, beans and pulses. Include healthy sources of fat in your diet to support healthy mitochondrial membranes. So you could include extra virgin olive oil, coconut oil, grass-fed butter, oily fish, avocado, nuts and seeds, grass-fed meat. Eat sufficient protein with every meal. So roughly a palm-sized portion with every meal. This could be meat, fish, eggs, nuts and seeds, beans and lentils. Include herbs and spices wherever you can in your cooking, such as turmeric. Drink 2 cups of green tea a day. Many of us are deficient in one or more essential nutrients, so you may wish to consider supplementation with a high-quality multivitamin and mineral, essential fatty acids, or vitamin D, for example. There are also many other wonderful nutrients that are protective to our mitochondria, such as coenzyme Q10, alpha-lipoic acid, resveratrol. These are all things that you can discuss with your nutritional therapist. Exercise can improve on both quality and quantity of our mitochondria. Fasting and restricting our calorie intake can also improve mitochondrial health if done in the correct way. A good starting point is to fast for 12 hours overnight, so finishing your last meal at 7, for example, in the evening, and not eating breakfast before 7 a.m. the next day, and avoiding snacking between meals. Avoid overeating. Find ways to lower stress levels and incorporate stress-relieving exercises such as meditation and mindfulness, yoga, or simple breathing exercises. Establish a good sleep routine. Reduce your exposure to environmental toxins, so filter your tap water, eat organic where possible, avoid drinking out of plastic containers. Look at your household cleaning products and your beauty products and choose those with fewer chemical ingredients. Cold water therapy and red light therapy have also been found to boost mitochondrial number and function. Thank you for listening. If you'd like to know more about the things discussed in this video and learn more about how nutrition can help you with your AMD and overall health, then please don't hesitate to get in touch. Thank you. Goodbye.